Welcome to the era of supercars. The new Toyota Land Cruiser 300 is a giant luxury off-roader with the latest safety systems, advanced technology features, and bold design, landing in the Australian market at the end of 2024. Toyota made a lot of upgrades to the interior and appearance of the new Land Cruiser to make it the best of the best after the 200 series. Toyota Land Cruiser finally replaced the powertrain with a 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6 diesel engine instead of the V8 to enhance performance and flexibility. And it is equipped with a new 10-speed automatic system to boost acceleration and fuel economy. Toyota made the new Land Cruiser 100 kilograms lighter than its predecessor, but its towing capacity of 3,500 kilograms remains the same. And this does not affect its features because the new Land Cruiser 300 is full of great features. Toyota installed a multi-terrain select system in its new Land Cruiser 300 with a multi-terrain monitor that can use different off-road modes to support the driver in difficult road situations. The price of the new Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series is $98,000 to $146,000. Toyota improved the safety features to assist their drivers, and there are a lot of new features including radar cruise control, rear cross-traffic alert, and blind zone warning. This Land Cruiser 300 is best known for its off-road performance, and Toyota equipped it with an electronic kinetic dynamic suspension system that can use a front camera to monitor the road surface and select the best mode to drive. The interior of the new Land Cruiser comes with a large central touchscreen, woodgrain trim, and a small in-car fridge with soft and luxurious surfaces to make driving more comfortable. Toyota updated its pre-collision system to help detect vehicles, cyclists, and pedestrians. What are your thoughts or suggestions to make it super innovative? Comment below.